1992 Nissan Sunny. Simple, strong, and reliable. A classic sedan with smooth drive, low maintenance, and timeless design. Meet the 1992 Nissan Sunny. Famous for fuel efficiency, strong engine, and long-lasting performance. A true legend of the 90s. 1992 Nissan Sunny. Clean shape, comfortable interior, and the trusted GA16 engine. Perfect for daily use, perfect for family. Classic 1992 Nissan Sunny. Smooth suspension, stable road grip, and lightweight body for easy driving anywhere. 1992 Sunny by Nissan. Strong build, economical mileage, and simple mechanics. A car made to last for decades. Experience the 1992 Nissan Sunny. Comfortable seats, powerful AC, and a reliable engine that never disappoints. 1992 Nissan Sunny. One of the most durable and trusted cars of its time, still running strong today.